Hello everyone and welcome back to Origamitopia. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this boomerang right here. It's a really easy origami model to make. I got this idea from Rob's World, but his model was really hard for me. And I've decided to come up with this so that way it'll be easier for me to fold a boomerang because I really wanted to fold that. So I came up with this, and this is probably gonna be the easiest model that I'm gonna teach on our channel. So grab your paper and let's get folding. All right, so the first thing we'll need to do is that you'll need a piece of paper cut down to the size of this. Now, if you're wondering how to get it, it's really easy. All you need to do is take the top of this paper and fold it down right here, just like if you're about to make the paper into a square. And then flip it over and take this excess and fold it right down until that ends right there. And then you open it up, and then you'll notice you have a crease here, then you just tear that off, or you could cut it with scissors. So this is how to make it. Once you cut this excess off right here, you take it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is take the top, hold it horizontally, take the top and fold it in half, just like this, down to the bottom edge, and then give it a good crease. Then you open it up, and instead of folding this directly on that fold, or directly on that crease, you'll just take that and make sure it's just a little above that crease, not too much, just a little bit above that crease. And then do the same thing with the other, not directly on the crease, just a little bit above. A little bit above that crease. And flatten it out. Then you take the whole paper and fold it in half like that. Now you open it up and hold it vertically and take this top and fold it down to the bottom edge right there. Just like that. Crease it. Then open it up again. Then just refold all the creases you just made. And then now you'll notice that you have that crease right there. If it's hard to see, just fold the paper in half like that, just once more, and make the crease a little bit sharper so you can see it. And now and then you'll have this. And then now the last steps is you take this end of the paper and fold it just like this, right on that crease, till this edge of the paper meets that crease right there. And you'll have a paper that looks like this. Then flip it over and take this end of the paper right here and fold it right there until that ends right there. And you will have made your origami boomerang, but you'll notice that I did use a stapler right here at the end. You can either use a stapler or tape. You use whichever one it's easier for you. So I was using a stapler. So all you need to do is right on that diagonal line right there, just take the stapler and then just staple it. And then do the same thing with these ends right here. Just do that. I'm using stapler, but you can use tape if you like. And then do it on the last one. And you're finished. And now let's see how it flies. All right, so you notice it has two sides, this side and this side. It has this side with the diagonal line right there. And if you flip it over, you'll notice it has this side with that square right there. So you want to throw it on this side of the square. So hold it on this side right here. Then hold it from the tip. And if you have a low ceiling, you can just kneel down if you like. And then once you hold it on the right side, just flick out your wrist and it should come back. And here it goes. And there you go, the Origami Boomerang. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. And stay tuned until our next video. And I usually tell you what the next model is going to be. But this time we want you guys to be surprised. So until then, keep folding.